Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to restore audio sound. Chapter 1. How to restore audio sound from settings. To start, right-click on the sound icon, there click on the option, Open Volume Mixer. Now, in this window, click on the Reset button. You will see that the task is completed. Chapter 2. How to restore audio sound for current user. To get started, open Settings from Start. You must go to the System section and click on Sound there. After that, click on More Sound Settings. In this window, select the speaker and click on Properties. There, in the Advanced tab, click on Restore Defaults. Apply these changes. Chapter 3. How to restore audio sound from services. Let's open Services from the search box. First of all, select the Windows Audio service. When doing so, click Restart and wait for this service to be restarted. Then select the service, Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Now click on the Restart line, click Yes, and wait for this process to complete. Chapter 4. How to restore audio sound reinstalling driver. For this method, you will right-click on Start and then open Device Manager. From the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section, right-click on the driver and choose the Uninstall Device option. Click Uninstall and wait for this process to finish. After this, from the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the driver again. Chapter 5. How to restore audio sound from sound improvements. To start, open Settings from Start. In the System section, you are going to open the Sound option. There, under Volume, drag the slider to the maximum. Then, confirm that the device default effects option is under Audio Enhancements. Chapter 6. How to restore audio sound from system sounds. To get started, enter Sounds in the search box. Open Change System Sounds. Here, verify that the Windows default option is in the Sound Combination section. You can close the window. Chapter 7. How to restore audio sound resetting PC. For this case, enter Reset in the search box. Open Reset this PC. You must click again on Reset PC. Select if you want to keep your files. Now define the type of installation to use. Click Next and wait for this process to complete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, click on Reset to start this action. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.